Hello, in this Python programming video we are going to kickstart off our regex or regular expression section. So regex is essentially a way of checking if something equals something or something matches something or something is the same as something else. So it's basically a special, think of it, a sequence of characters that helps you match or find strings in strings. It's like really awesome. They're really simple. I remember when I first discovered this regular expression, I was thinking, oh my god, this is amazing. Okay, so first of all, we're going to need to import a module, and it's RE. So that's RE for regular expression. And in this video, we're just going to look at the match expression. So if we have a if we do pattern equals re.compile, so we need to use the compile keyword, and now this is the pattern that we're going to be looking for. So if I were to type in ELL, this will become clear in a moment. Then if I were to do print, so if I print the result of pattern.match, so we're checking for a match on our pattern, and if I specify some string, so if I say hello world, for example, if let's just have one instance. You might be thinking, okay, it's in there, it's gonna match, but let's just take a look, see what we get. Okay, it's trying to stop it, but doesn't seem to be working. Okay, it stopped it now. Let me undo it. Pattern match, hello world. Okay, so let me rerun it. None. Okay, pattern does not match. I'm thinking, but it's there. And the thing is, what it does by default, it goes to the first character, and if this string does not match the first character and onwards, then you'll return false. But what you can do is put an optional position character, and this will say start from this position. So 1 being the second position, because remember, stuff in computers you only start at 0. So if I run this now, we get none1. What is that? I put it in the wrong place. It's meant to be in the match function. My bad. If we run it again, and if we just wait, there you go. We get a match. So it says it is matched. So ELL is inside of it, and you can access different pieces of information from our match. So if we were to assign that to something like so if I were to do pattern, so what I'll do, I'll say result equals, I'll copy this because this is the successful result, and I could do something like print result dot group 1. I'm just waiting for this to successfully run. Okay, so no such group. What is this saying? Now let's have a look. My bad. This is meant for a different type of match, and this different type of match essentially now allows you to provide a regular expression, and this is just building on top of what we've already done. So keep this code in mind, this line of code in mind, and as the next task I want to explore the other more sort of, I wouldn't say advanced, but just further on match function. There'll be a link in the description to help you, so feel free to check that out. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next demo.